I'm Samus Productions here, and welcome to another video. So today, we got Mason! Golf clap that up. No one really sees you. There. Okay. Did I hit you in the face?
Yeah.
Okay, so what we're doing today is we're doing like kind of a taste test experiment thing with some new thing that we got. It's called Go Cake. So apparently you just put it in an 8-ounce cup, microwave it for 1 minute. So if you didn't know, 8 ounces equals 1 cup. So we got that right here. And let's read the instructions. There is 2 options. I'll read both of them. So here's, I don't know why it's called this, but one's called the chick option and one's called the easy option. So this is the chick option. Tear the pouch open and pour the contents in a microwavable 8-ounce cup. Microwave for 1 minute for a 1000 W microwave oven. Careful, let it cool for 5 minutes and enjoy. This is the easy option. Tear the pouch open and discard the top part. Place the lower part standing in microwave and heat for 1 minute for a 1000 W microwave oven. Careful, let it cool for 5 minutes and enjoy. So we are doing the chick option because it's way easier for us, because we don't want anything to go wrong. Just put this in the microwave like that. Like, what? Okay, so here we go. Let's just pour it in this cup here. So, where's the scissors? Okay.
I wonder if
Oops.
it's liquid.
Oh, I can smell it. I can smell it. It smells really good. It's liquid.
Oh yes.
Oh, yes, yes, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, this looks so good.
That's so dark.
I know. So dark chocolatey. Come on. You can make it. Gotta get all of it out so when we're done. Oh, gosh. When we're done, we'll come back. Alright, guys. We got this. This is what it looks like. Doesn't look like what I would think it would look like, but we're just gonna stir it up for a second and then put it in the microwave. Alright, guys, we shook it up for a little bit and now we're gonna put it in the microwave. So hopefully this does not turn out bad. Alright, see you when 1 minute's over. Alright, guys, moment of truth. It has just got no.
Meagle.
Oh, this looks so good. Look at that masterpiece, guys. Look at this masterpiece. Alright, we're gonna let this cool off for 5 minutes and we'll be back. Hey guys, we're back. And I'm kind of chopping it up because it's still a little bit hot. So I'm like chopping it up and spreading it around and stuff. So yeah. But it actually turned out really good. I didn't think it would turn out good. I thought it would just like stay liquid, but really hot. So, Mason, I told you before the video that you can try first, so take your best shot. Is it hot?
Mm-mm.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Let me try.
Tastes like chocolate.
Yeah, that's good.
Where you can buy this at is 7-Eleven.
You could buy this at 7-Eleven on Mosswood Drive. That's the 7-Eleven you want to go to. And this might be at your local 7-Eleven near you. This stuff is good. Why didn't we buy this a week ago? Alright, guys. Well, we are done with that.
Look at this. Wee-hoo.
Yeah, that stuff's good, though. Rate it. 1 through 10, rate it.
100.
No, like, seriously.
Oh. 10.
10? Rate it about, 10 out of 10. This stuff's good. We should try that other one.
Oh, caramel.
Yeah. There's a caramel one, too. If you guys want to see the caramel gold cake, then taste test, and leave a like.
And subscribe.
And subscribe. And also comment if you want another one. So, outro. Okay, guys, so see you guys in the next one, and peace.
Bye.